This video covers Lasertec's full-year financial results for FY 2025 from July 2024 to June 2025. Lasertec specializes in high-precision inspection systems for the semiconductor industry. Its main products are EUV, extreme ultraviolet, photomask inspection systems, and wafer defect inspection systems, both essential for advanced semiconductors. By concentrating on research and development and outsourcing production, Lasertec stays a leader in its specialized market. Recently, Lasertec has drawn attention as one of the so-called Takaichi stocks, or Takaichi trade. This refers to companies likely to benefit if Sane Takaichi, who advocates bold fiscal spending and support for domestic electronics including semiconductor industries, becomes the next prime minister. For the fiscal year 2025, financial results showed strong performance. Net sales and operating income both reached record highs, reflecting solid business growth and profitability. However, orders declined significantly by 61.4% compared to the previous period, indicating a slowdown in new business commitments. The semiconductor process has three main stages. Design comes first, where chips are planned and circuits are created. Wafer fabrication follows, forming circuits on silicon wafers using lithography, etching, and deposition. Finally, assembly and testing packages the chips and checks their functionality. Lasertec's products are related to the wafer fabrication stage. They provide high-precision inspection and measurement systems that ensure the accuracy and quality of the circuit patterns on wafers, which is critical for producing advanced semiconductors. Lasertec's business is divided into four main categories. Services provide installation, calibration, maintenance, and technical support to ensure the equipment operates reliably. Matrix series checks advanced semiconductor masks and can spot very tiny defects with high accuracy. Actis series inspects masks using the same wavelength as EUV exposure, allowing defects to be checked under conditions close to actual wafer printing. Other semiconductor-related products include inspection tools for masks and wafers, helping to find problems early and ensure precise checks. Fiscal year 2025 financial results by product show that Actis sales grew significantly compared to the previous year, and services also saw an increase. However, overall orders received declined significantly. For Actis, some cancellations occurred in the fourth quarter, leading to a drop in total orders. It is said that the Intel order was canceled. 2026 forecast. For fiscal year 2026, Lasertec expects sales to decline by 20.5% and profits by 29.1% compared to the previous year. This outlook reflects weak orders, which are expected to weigh on overall business performance. Dividend. Lasertec maintains a flexible dividend policy with a target payout of around 35%. The 2025 dividend was 329 yen, and it is expected to stay the same in 2026, raising the payout ratio to about 50%. While maintaining the dividend is positive, the higher payout ratio is a little concerning. Additionally, Lasertec announced a 12 billion yen share buyback, about 1% of outstanding shares, to enhance shareholder returns. It's not a huge amount, but better than doing nothing. Business environment. Lasertec predicts the semiconductor market is expected to grow significantly through 2030. Demand is strong for AI-related investment, while power semiconductor investment has been slow. As chips get smaller, more companies are using Actis products. They are especially important for new technologies like EUV, extreme ultraviolet, and the more advanced high-NA EUV to print tiny circuits on chips. Advanced packaging puts chips in a small space and works even with older semiconductors. It could become an industry trend, but demand for Actis products is still strong. Semiconductor demand is expected to grow steadily over the medium to long term, and looking ahead, Lasertec's performance is expected to recover. Stock price. This chart over the past year shows the stock price in Japanese yen at 19,185 as of September 19. This chart shows the stock price in US dollars at 26.04 as of September 19. Semiconductor-related stocks are highly volatile, and Lasertec also experienced a temporary decline. However, recently, expectations for a new prime minister and the surge in semiconductor-related stocks have provided a positive boost, leading to a rise in Lasertec's stock price. Current PBR is 8.4 and PER is 28.8. Dividend yield is 1.71%. Compared with historical PBR, PER, and dividend yield, these figures suggest that the stock price is relatively cheaper. Since the stock price was around 40,000 yen in 2024, it is now relatively undervalued compared to that time. Conclusion: FY 2025 saw record-high sales and operating income, although overall orders declined, partly due to order cancellations. Looking ahead to FY 2026, sales and profits are expected to decrease because of weak orders. However, with the semiconductor market projected to grow and continued demand for AI-related and advanced chip technologies, Lasertec's products are well-positioned for steady medium to long-term growth.